Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'll show you how to create custom error bars in Excel. In my chart, each column has its own unique error bar, and those values come directly from the standard deviation column in my data. Here's how to build it. Alongside my raw data, I've added two helper columns. Average, which calculates the mean for each sample. Standard deviation, which calculates the spread across the 5 tests. To create the chart, I first select the category labels. Then I hold down Control and also select the average values. Go to the Insert tab, Insert Column or Bar Chart. Choose Clustered Column. Move the chart where you want it. Now for the error bars. Click the plus icon in the top right of the chart. Check Error Bars, then open the submenu and choose More options. In the task pane on the right, scroll down to Custom and click Specify Value. For positive error value, delete what's in the box, then select the standard deviation column. Do the same for negative error value. Clear the box, select the same column, and click OK. Now each data point has its own error bar based on standard deviation. If you want to format the error bars, go to the Format tab, Shape Outline to change the color or style. And that's it. Custom error bars in Excel. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.